I built a small program, asked the users to enter their age. Everything worked fine until someone typed 20 instead of 20. My entire program crashed, just gone, died, and that is when I realized writing code that works is one thing. Writing code that does not break is a whole different level. Welcome back to CodedChapter episode 6. Today's topic is exceptions, and honestly this one felt practical. Like immediately I understand why this matter in real life. Because until now I was writing program assuming that user will always enter the correct, but users don't always do the right thing, and our code needs to be ready for that. So what exactly exceptions are? Simply, an exception is an error that happened while your program is running. Not a mistake you made, but something unexpected that happens during exception. Let's take an example. We ask the user to enter their age, and then we will print their age. You are their age years old. This looks perfectly fine, and it is. But what if they enter 20 in ABC instead of 20 in letters? When they enter 20 in ABC, Python will throw value error and your program dead crashed. That crash is an unhandled error exception called exception, and our job as programmer is to handle it. So how do we handle this? There are keywords try and accept. Think of it like this. Try is you say okay, let's attempt this, and accept is breaking a plan if it goes wrong. Let's say we ask the user to give input, enter your age, then we show your age is their age years old, and we try accept value error. If they enter something wrong, we will print please enter a valid number. Now if someone enter 20 TWENTY instead of crashing, Python catches the error and runs the accept block, print a nice message, program continue. No crash, no drama, just a clean error message. This is exception handling, and this is what separates beginning code from code that actually work in real life. Let me give a real life example to understand why this is so important. Imagine we are building a bank app. User is transferring money. Suppose they accidentally enter letter instead of amount in amount section. Without exception handling app crashes, transaction fails badly, maybe data corrupts. With exception handling, app catches the error, shows user a message, please enter a valid amount. User tries again, everything then fine. Even real apps daily uses exceptions to handle their errors, like WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, and others. That is how serious concept this is. When I first saw try accept, I thought okay, it seems simple, but then I realized knowing the synthetic is easy. Knowing where to use, when to use it, which exception to catch, that is the real skill. Like there are many type of exceptions in Python. Value error, type error, zero division error, and many more. Each one means a different something. I am still learning which one to use where, but understanding why exceptions exist, that part clicked really well today. That is episode 6, exceptions. Try, accept, and why. Your code should never just crash on the user. Honestly, this felt like a very growing up programming okay, now I am thinking about what can be wrong, not just what should go right. Next video CS50P continues, and I'll also be attempting my first program, a Python problem on my own. Comment below, have you ever had a crash on you? Tell me what happened then, how you handle that. Like and subscribe if you are following this journey along with me. See you in next chapter. Bye.